I want to show to you already they soon they open the another line of the road. But so dust now. Yes, already soon they open because really traffic, heavy traffic always and dust. And this side also they will open. $60 today, 60. In Norma today dollars 60.10. Here also 60. Now I will go to the perimeter bar. Perimeter bar from Philosophy High.
Hello.
Go to perimeter bar.
Yeah. All right, catch you later. Good to see you.
Thank you, thank you.
Take care.
Of course I can take jeepney tricycle, but good weather. I don't want to. I have time now. Shira going to the party today. I can walk, and later I can also filming here at night. Sorry, I talk with our subscriber. Really, my English is sometimes I don't know what I need to say. Not easy sometimes for me. I forgot sometimes language. People finish work, I think. Angel's Bakery, popular restaurant. They accept only cash. Only cash. This is Korean barbecue. Have people inside. It's already ABC hotel property. It's Thai bar. ABC hotel. Georgis stay before in ABC hotel. Long time ago. Italian Albasio restaurant. I walk slowly, not so fast. Cheers bar. It's maybe new bar. On right side, Clark City Front Mall entrance. This is center main entrance, Tower 1. Have another entrance, Tower 3. Eurasia Hotel. Eurasia. Grab. Amanda Coffee. And near entrance Tower 3, Clark City Front Mall. This is entrance, another entrance. Arena. Have Italian restaurant. A good place, I know. Parking have. Maybe someday someone build hotel here. Madison Crown Hotel. X Motel and Margarita Station also. Bikers, they go to the Clark CDC Park, maybe. Many bikers now in CDC Park. It's already bars, Perimeter Road. Candy Park. Black satin. Ah, so dark. Don't have light here. Don't have light. You cannot see girls near bars because it's not allowed. Way hiding, it's not allowed if it's public road. But sometimes they go outside, but usually don't have girls. Way inside the bar. Garfield, last stand. Left side is Capitol Hill Hotel. Also two bars. Body Shark bar. I don't want to go inside because they don't want camera. Of course don't like camera. They hiding. But I just show to you. I already come back to Fields Avenue. I just walk only. And show to you what's new here. And nothing new, nothing, always the same. Golf car. We go to the bar. It's a good car. Used car. Comfortable. Clean. Also street foods here. And they have KTV. KTV open. Take a look straight is La Grande residence. La Grande. Very popular. Fish, barbecue. Candy bar. Tea bag, Thunderbirds. Now hiring mama son with girls, model, waitress. This new generation girls, I think they work online already. They don't want already work offline. It's already new generation people already online. Everything online. Working with call center everywhere online. Okay, I will check Margarita station now. How many people? Good evening. Thank you. How many people in Margarita station? Oh, good aircon here, very good. Comfortable. Billiard players. Okay, it's good. Fresh. But I'm wet now. I'm wet, that's why I cannot stay more time. If aircon, need change clothes. Okay, we'll go to the Fields Avenue walk. It's good to have pedestrian line and also have CCTV camera, but be careful. Even have CCTV camera, even pedestrian line. They not follow rules here. Okay, thank you for watching. I will walk. I come back to Fields Avenue. First I change my clothes in car and maybe I will eat something. Yes, maybe I will eat because I have time. Now is 6:45. 6:45 in the Philippines. Thank you for watching.